Did you know a man calculated the size of the entire Earth using nothing but a stick and a shadow? His name was Eratosthenes. It was around 240 BC, and he was the head librarian in Alexandria, Egypt. He noticed something strange. On one specific day each year, the sun shone straight down into a deep well in the city of Syene, leaving no shadow at all. But in Alexandria, a vertical stick still cast a shadow on that same day. He measured that shadow. The angle came out to about 7 degrees. That is roughly 1/50th of a full circle. So he reasoned that if he knew the distance between the two cities, he could multiply it by 50 and get the full circumference of the Earth. He hired a man to walk the distance and count his steps. The final answer was roughly 40,000 kilometers. Modern satellites put the real number at 40,075 kilometers. He was off by less than 2%. A man who never left his library had just measured the planet.